Hey, what's going on everyone? Here KTR Kadir. This is a super awesome discussion about class inheritance or otherwise called as a subclassing. The subclassing is one of the important technique to inherit our base class to create some additionally add some functionalities or methods or variables to add to the new class and inherit from the old class. Likewise, we can create the inherit the class from one class to another class by using the uh, feature of subclassing. Now let's dive into the tutorial. Before that, subscribe my channel for more videos. Here our topic is what is a class inheritance or a class subclassing. Here some of the benefits we can be get from there here, like we can reuse the code, as well as we can create the similar type of classes from the one class to another class, as well as we can add some additional variables as well as methods adding to the subclasses, and we can be use it on there. But the superclass, there is not the variables and methods will not available on there, as well as we can override the variables and methods. Let's dive into the tutorial. Here I create the vehicle class, as well as I create some variables and methods to access the class, like a current speed as well as a description and the sound, the make sound, some that is a function. Here I am going to create the instance for the vehicle, that's creating as a var some vehicle, and setting the variable as a vehicle init. Here I am adding the current speed as a 5, and the some vehicle dot description is nothing but that will be written the traveling at the current speed is a 5, as well as the some vehicle dot make sound. When we tap the run button, we can get the values like this is the current speed, the traveling at 5 kilometer per second, or kilometer per second, sorry, kilometer per hour. I am setting like that. Likewise, we can get the print from here. Likewise, we can create the basic class from in Swift. Now I am going to inherit the vehicle class to some other class. So I am going to create the class name, like this is like car, and as well as the car as a vehicle. So I am inheriting the vehicle to the class. So when I create the instance for the car, the same type of params as well as like variable and methods will be available, already available on cars, because of we are inheriting the vehicle class, so that we can get the current speed, like setting 30, as well as we can get some descriptions. Likewise, we can get the inherited methods and variables from there. So we can also add some additional variables to the this car class. So I am adding the class vehicle. For the car class, I am adding the gear. So the car has a gear, so I am setting the gear as a variable and setting the initial value as a 0. Now I am going to set the car dot gear is equal to 3, as well as I am going to override the description, because of I have to add some additional values or additional functionality for the description. So I am adding the override var description. Inside of that, I am adding the some return type of like I am traveling at the speed of that's a current speed per km per h, and on gear, that's in a gear, like I'm printing the gear. Now when I tap the run button, I am traveling the kilometer per second. I can print it on here. When we print the car.description, we can get the I am traveling at 30 km per hour on gear 3. Likewise, we can override the predefined variable or methods, and we can add some additional functionality to that. If we need to override the function, as well as if we need to call the some other predefined functionalities, means we can add some we can make sound. I can give it another class. So I'm creating a new class for the same vehicle, and setting the class name as a train, and this is a vehicle. Here I can add the passengers count. Passengers count is for default I'm setting as a 0, as well as I am overriding the make sound function that is already available on a vehicle class. So I am going to override the function super dot make sound, as well as print. I am adding some additional functions to the make sound. That's this is for a vehicle sound, that is a train sound, kuch kuch. Now when I tap the run button, the vehicle, the train, when I create the instance for the train and setting the train dot make sound means that will print the kuch kuch. Likewise, we can add some additional functionality to the subclasses, as well as add some additional variables, methods to there, as well as we can override the predefined class variable as well as functions from here. Likewise, we can create the subclasses or else inheritance classes. Likewise, I hope this video will be very helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.